Once you have the pen tool selected, go ahead and select the layer you need and then just start drawing. You just need to trace the black lines. In this case, because it'll probably be a little easier since we have a lot of intersecting lines here, we're going to go ahead and trace this top bubble. Then we're going to go ahead and do all of the org chart lines first. Be careful not to connect the lines because you can run into some pretty serious issues. It's usually a little bit easier if you try to go in some sort of order with these, even if that means having to backtrack a little bit. Remember, this is going to draw on really, really fast, so it doesn't have to be perfect. You have to be a little bit careful with where you click. If you lose your correct tool, you can always get it back using G again. Okay, we're going to go ahead and call that good for now. Actually, let me move that point out so that when I come back to finish this, it'll be easy. Next thing, go up to your effects and presets. Search for stroke, it's under generate. Let's go ahead and drag that down onto your correct layer. If you notice it added little white outlines on all of these. Uh-oh, looks like we missed one. Now, we're going to go ahead and increase our line width to make sure that it covers all of the black lines. So we can go up pretty big because there's nothing else we're going to be covering. It can be a little sloppy. Just make sure that you cover all the pieces, and so when it's done, that all the pieces are filled in. Okay, let's go ahead and focus on our org chart. But just make big swaths across, and we're just going to use a really big stroke so that it fills it in easily. Okay, go ahead and add the stroke to it. Do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and increase our stroke size until they completely overlap, which looks like we're at about our max of 50 here, so we're going to have to do a little bit of adjustment. Just make sure we cover up all those little spots. Your end again, move it out, set this one to 0, and then we're going to go ahead and let's change this from on original to reveal original image. Bam. Now when we watch it, we see it draws in our lines, and then it colors in our colors here. And that's it.